Hey guys, here's a quick Versa hatch piston replacement video to get the hatch working like brand new. You'll only need a wrench, pliers, socket set, and scrap wood or a ski pole to prop open the trunk. We're going to go ahead and start with the right strut, and specifically with the bottom nuts. You should be able to make quick work of these if you use an 8mm socket wrench, but make sure you prop open the trunk so it doesn't fall on you. Also make sure to keep the bolts. The new pistons won't come with replacements. Now we'll start on the upper bolt. I used my adjustable wrench because it ended up being like an 11.5mm size, which might be something in imperial units, but I'm not entirely sure. Once it's loose, go ahead and use your pliers to speed the process up. Now you don't need to take the ball out of the socket here because the new piston will come with replacement balls and sockets. Now we'll begin to take the new piston and attach it to the vehicle, starting with the bottom two bolts. Not sure why I struggled with this step, but I'll take the time now to describe what I bought. I got the Tuff Support Rear Hatch Trunk Lift off of Amazon. It works for all 2007 to 2012 5-door Versas. It was $40 when I bought the pair in Q3 of 2019, which is kind of expensive, but it had same-day shipping with Prime, and so I think it was worth it. Now tighten the top bolt as much as you can by hand, then give it a few tugs with a wrench to really secure it. You want to take extra precautions when anything is going to be overhead. You'll need to remove the pin from the socket before attaching the new piston, but hold on to it for later. Simply click the strut onto the ball and then put the pin back in to secure it. Keep in mind that some other piston brands may have pull-down tabs instead. And there you have it. Repeat the process for the other side and your trunk will be working like brand new. Thanks for watching, and as always, I hope this video improves your quality of life.